Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add favorite websites in Safari on MacBook. So actually it's very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you need to go to the Safari browser, and as you can see, I have only three websites in my favorites. This is Apple, Google and Gemini, and I have some random folder. So to add another favorite website to this quick access list, you will need to first of all open the view of your favorite websites in the top side of the screen, so it will be easier for you. To do this, you will need to go to and click on the view button in the top left corner, and here you'll need to click on the show favorites bar. And now you will see your favorite websites in the top side of the screen. This is very comfortable. So now, if you want to add some random websites to your favorites in Safari, all you have to do is first of all access this website. As you can see, here I'm on the website that I want to add, and here you will need to click on its URL. As you can see, we clicked on it, and now we will need to see this little icon of the website in the left side and just drag it to the list of websites and choose the place for it. For example, I want it to be in the middle, and just release it. And as you can see, if you go to the start page again, you will see this website in the quick access, and that is how you can add the favorite website in Safari on MacBook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.